Hi guys, Aspen here from Drone in Nature. I'm out hiking today. I'm gonna fly a little bit with my Dji Mavic Air 2, testing the new update to the app, DJI Fly app. It's app version 1.2.4. I removed the old app from my Android phone and updated through DJI's website because I see some people having problems and issues with the app on Android phones, especially on the Mini 2, DJI Mini 2. I'm gonna test my Air 2 today with the new update and see if there's the same problem on the Mavic Air 2 with disconnecting and stuff like that. But I'm gonna test it and see. The sun is pretty strong today, so I have it straight to my face. But I'm at a beautiful place, hiking for 1 hour from my home. It's a lot of snow, I know, and it's really beautiful. It's really cold, so I don't gonna fly too far away because of I don't want to do it with the newest update. Just testing a little bit and see if there is any issues with it. But I think it's pretty good, hopefully. So I'm gonna keep the drone close to me, testing some functions and see how it works. So let's take the drone up and test it. Taking off my DJI Mavic Air 2 after updating to the newest firmware. It's app version 1.2.4. I'm using an Android phone, and I saw some people having some problems with the Mini 2 on the same app. I'm gonna test it today on the Air 2 and see if there are any issues with it. One thing I recommend you to do if you haven't updated to the newest version is to delete the old version from your phone and go to, if you have an Android phone, go to the DJI website and download the newest firmware from there. And one thing more I recommend you to do is to go on to your profile settings and go to settings and clear your cache. I see some people having problem because they have too much cache files in their on their phone. So do that. Okay, let's take the drone up. I'm just gonna check my settings. I'm filming in. I'm gonna shoot in 4K wide, and I like to shoot in this like. So let's check the version first. I have the version 1.2. Okay guys, we have the drone up. Let's fly a little bit. And see how she's working. I'm gonna use this one. So guys, in my opinion, it doesn't seem to be anything wrong with the update. If you do it like I told you, go delete the app on your Android phone if you have the older version. I think that was 1.2.1. Delete it and go to DJI website and download the latest one. You can't download it from the Google App Store. That's my recommendation. Just do that and everything will be just fine. So I'm gonna test the focus track. I'm gonna stop and see if the drone recognizes me. What the you can see, okay, I got one problem, it disconnected, so there is a problem. Let's do it again and again. What the hell is happening? It disconnected. I'm pretty close. Okay, I don't like that at all. Why is this happening? I'm gonna bring it up. So that's really good that I'm so close, like I'm at today. And it's connecting and disconnecting, connecting and disconnecting. So I'm not gonna fly yet. I'm gonna bring it in. This is a major issue in my opinion. Let's take her in.
Landing.
Just went out testing the new app, the app version 1.2.4 DJI Fly app with my Mavic Air 2. I was really optimistic at first when I was flying the drone. Nothing happened, everything was stable and fine. But I'll get the drone close to me and I'm gonna I was planning to test it. Luckily the drone was just a few meters from me so I can see it and control it. But the app was crashing several times. Connecting and disconnecting, connecting and disconnecting. So this is a major problem for DJI. They have to fix this. So I recommend just wait. Don't fly your drone yet. Wait to DJI fix this problem because this is a really big problem and you can lose your drone. You can control it with your controller, but if the drone is out of sight, you really don't know where it is. So maybe the return to home button will function, but this is a really big problem. So don't fly it till DJI fix this problem because this is a really big problem. So yeah, luckily for me the drone was pretty close, nothing happened. I did get it back, so everything was fine. This was really bad. I was so optimistic first, but yeah. So yeah, see you, bye bye.